Longwell is a professional manufacturer of fans, blowers, motors, and components for heating, ventilation, air conditioner, and refrigeration applications. Specialist in centrifugal fans, axial fans, AC/DC cross-flow fans, single-double forward fans, AC, BLDC, ECM motors, as well as industrial blowers, equipped with high advanced testing labs and production facilities, including B&K Noise Lab, CFD Simulation Lab, Aerodynamics Test Chamber, automatic welding machines, CNC machining centers, auto-robot injection machines, which makes over millions fans capacity annually. Longwell is very skilled in designing, developing, and manufacturing of fans and motors, and exporting to over 40 countries. Longwell EMC technology is giving more energy saving to our world. Our ECM motorized fan efficiency is up to 90%, which makes 30% to 60% higher than the traditional motors. The built-in PCBA achieved stepless speed control and easy communication with customers' products. Longer lifespan up to 40,000 hours. IP55, IP68 can be customized. Since we've three-phase eliminate electromagnetic acoustic and lots of protections like soft start, overloading, motor block. Longwell BLDC motorized cross-flow fan make very quiet noise low to 17 dBA, which is almost the best design for low noise and smart control purposes for floor heating convectors, sterilizing purifiers, cooling applications.